Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you a method to solve the famous FizzBuzz question in Python. So without further ado, let's get on with the explanation and the implementation of the code. To start off, create a Python file. After that, here are the conditions we must fulfill. So you have to loop 100 times using I. After that, if I is divisible by 3 and 5, we must print FizzBuzz. If I is divisible by 3, we must print Fizz. If I is divisible by 5, we have to print Buzz. So let's start off. So this for loop will make sure that we will iterate I through 1 to 100. We're putting an extra 1 because Python will count 100 as 99, 101 as 100, which is what we need. Then an if condition, if I is divisible by 3 without any remainders. This modulus operator will give us a remainder of this division. So putting this operator here will make sure will be if these two conditions are satisfied, then execute this, and we will print FizzBuzz since that satisfies this condition. Then elif, which is else if I is divisible by 3 without any remainders, same thing as here, will print fuzz. And then else if I divided by 5, which leaves no remainder, then print buzz. And then else we'll print all of the i's, which are all of the numbers which do not satisfy these conditions.